Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am here at Worlds of Wonder Amusement Park. As you all know that this is my first vlog, so without wasting any time, let's go to the amusement park and have a look at it. I want you guys to watch this video till the end because in the end we will be going to the best and the most dangerous ride of this amusement park, and I am sure that you are gonna love it. As you can see that I have got my ticket, so let's enter the amusement park. On my right side you can see something cool. An airplane coming out of a building, and that's looking really awesome. Now it's time for our very first ride, the Shanghai Swinger. So let's go! So here the ride starts. This ride is so relaxing, and as everyone says that we should go step by step, that's why we are having this ride first, then in later we will be going to the best and the most dangerous ride of this amusement park. This one is such a nice and pleasant ride, but the rides that we are going to enjoy later are really mind-blowing. Here the ride ends. Did you enjoy this ride? Yes? So let's move on to our second ride. That is the disco. And here the ride begins. It looks good. This ride is not that much scary, but it is pretty cool. I had not made the full video of this ride as it was quite long and it has come to an end. So if you enjoyed this ride, let's move on to the next ride, that is the Big Bait. And here it begins. That looks amazing, right? And here it starts rotating, and it looks pretty good. Oh my god, that is pretty awesome. And here it ends. And now the time has come for which you have been waiting so long. It's the time for the best and most dangerous ride of this amusement park, and that is the Rockin Roller. And there is no need to say anything about this ride, so have a look at it by yourself. here the ride ends. Don't close the video now. There is something remaining for you. There is a nice place in this Worlds of Wonder amusement park to take photos. So let's see it by ourselves. And that's it, guys. I am ending this vlog here. And if you liked my very first vlog, then